Director General of the Federal Radio Corporation of Nigeria has paid a visit to the Lagos division of the agency after a fire outbreak that recently left the broadcast station in ruins. Mohammed Bulama's visit marks a step towards assessing the extent of the damage, charting a course for rebuilding and restoration.
These ashes marks the remnants of a once state-of-the-art broadcast house, now reduced to rubble. According to an eyewitness, the fire outbreak was caused by a spark from an air conditioner in the Metro broadcast session and affected 3 studios as well as roofs of the buildings.
Before they called the engineer and some other people, the thing has get extended. It has entered these acoustic that are there.
To assess the damage to the facility, the Director General of the corporation is visiting Lagos to inspect the extent of damage caused by the fire outbreak and begin the rebuilding process.
It's a very, very extensive damage. About that. Everything is burnt down in all the studios and even in adjoining offices. Radio 1 is already back. This involves 2 FM stations. Radio 1 is already back. We are operating from Ikoyi. We are already back in the air. And God willing, by next week, Metro FM will also be back.
The Director General also commended the fire service and other agencies, including staff of the corporation, for their swift response.
Firefighters from the Lagos State Government, from the Federal Fire Service, from the Armed Forces of Nigeria, all the arms of the Armed Forces were here. And then our staff were also very heroic. Some of us, the staff on duty, first of all, did their best to quench the fire.
He also outlined the Commission's plans to implement precautionary measures and avert future reoccurrence.
At the Start Forum, we spoke about the need to have firefighting equipment in the building. This is something we've had in mind. And this has now even strengthened our belief that we need to do it as quickly as possible.
Mr. Mohammed Bulama's visit is to reassure the staff and stakeholders of the corporation's commitment to recovering from the setback and continue to provide quality services to the public. Zainab Akonde, TVC News, Lagos.